Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mikis Auto Tools. In the previous video, I showed you how to automatically post TikTok videos and attach product links using our software. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to automatically post Instagram videos and attach your Shopee affiliate links, 100% automated. Before we jump into the main content, let's get started. After opening the MKT app software, you'll see the Post Instagram feature. Inside this section, you can set up different posting scenarios, campaign scripts. I recommend setting the delay between actions from 60 to 120 seconds. This is the safest range to avoid triggering Instagram spam detection. You can also set the number of actions per session, for example 20 actions. Next, you can configure how many videos each account will post per day. You also have the option to automatically leave a comment after posting. This is very powerful. You can insert a call to action, promotional message, or even paste your affiliate link directly into the comment. The software allows you to choose between the general configuration for all accounts, same settings applied to every account, or individual configurations per account. This is extremely useful if you run multiple niches. For example, one Instagram account promotes kids' fashion, another promotes men's fashion, and another promotes women's fashion. You can customize the settings separately for each account to match the content strategy. You can also control post only videos that have been uploaded less than a certain number of times. Allow or restrict duplicate videos between accounts. Save multiple posting scripts. Schedule everything in advance. So instead of manually posting every day, all you need to do is turn on your computer and let the system run automatically at the scheduled time. It saves a huge amount of time and effort. Most importantly, if you already added affiliate links inside the video management section, the system will automatically attach those links when posting to Instagram. No need to manually paste links every time. That's it for today's video. I've just shown you how to automatically post Instagram videos and attach affiliate links using the software. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the next one.